Hello, and welcome to our video on how to make a delicious keto diet smoothie. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make a smoothie that is not only delicious, but also fits within the guidelines of a ketogenic diet. First, let's talk about the ingredients. For our smoothie, we'll be using almond milk as the base. Almond milk is a great choice for a keto smoothie because it is low in carbs, and high in healthy fats. We'll also be using frozen berries, which are a great source of antioxidants and flavor. Berries are also relatively low in carbs, making them a great choice for a keto diet. Next, we'll be adding in some healthy fats, in the form of avocado and coconut oil. Avocado is a great source of healthy monounsaturated fats, while coconut oil is a great source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily converted into ketones by the liver. Finally, we'll be adding in some protein powder, to help keep you full and satisfied. We recommend using a grass-fed whey protein powder, or a pea protein powder, both are keto-friendly options. To make the smoothie, simply add all ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add a little more almond milk to thin it out. And there you have it, a delicious keto diet smoothie that is sure to keep you on track with your ketogenic diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more keto-friendly recipe videos.